In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do branching in Microsoft Forms. This is a powerful feature that allows you to dynamically guide respondents through different paths based on their answers, ensuring that they only see questions relevant to them. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Forms. Once you're on the official Microsoft Forms page, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to proceed. Once you're logged in, open your existing form or create a new one. This will serve as our workspace for setting up branching. Now, locate the question you wish to add branching to. This is crucial because branching is applied on a question-by-question basis. With your question selected, direct your attention to the ellipsis, represented by 3 dots, situated in the bottom right corner of the question. Click on this symbol to reveal a set of additional options. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Add Branching. This will take you to the Branching Options page, which is the heart of our task today. Here, you'll find drop-down menus next to each of your answer choices. These menus allow you to define the flow of your form by selecting the next question the respondent will see based on their previous answer. This is where you can get creative. For each answer choice, you can decide to direct users to any subsequent question or even a specific section in your form. This enhances the respondent's experience by tailoring the journey to them, keeping them engaged and helping collect the most relevant data. Furthermore, if an answer marks the completion of the survey for a particular participant, you can choose End of the Form, ensuring they are smoothly led to the conclusion. If you find that branching needs adjustments, or you accidentally set it up incorrectly, don't worry. You can repeat these steps as many times as necessary to fine-tune the flow of your form. Now, let's say you want to remove branching altogether. Head back to the question where the branching was initially set up. Once again, click on the ellipsis for more options and select Add Branching. On the Branching Options page, you'll notice another ellipsis icon at the top, labeled More Options. Click it and then select Reset. This will clear all the branching logic from your form, returning it to a simple, linear structure. It's a quick way to start fresh, if needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to implement and manage branching in Microsoft Forms. Branching not only streamlines your form, but also makes it more interactive and responsive to the respondent's needs. Thank you for watching, and happy form building!